So wanted to make a quick video about e-bikes. So e-bikes kind of fall into two categories. There's the legal ones, which are pedal assist and only go 15.5 kilometers an hour. I think because of the legislation date, older bikes could potentially be allowed to have a throttle, but on newer bike frames, throttles are against the law. Well, they're not against the law per se, but if your bike goes over 15.5 miles an hour and has a throttle, then I think it's classed as a motorbike, and you need insurance and the correct license to ride one. Now, why am I saying this now? Because there's a case going through court where an e-bike, I think it was last year, I'll have to check the dates, an e-bike rider hit a pedestrian going through a crossing. Okay, she was in the wrong, she was crossing on the red light, but he hit her, and witnesses said that he was going too fast. So basically this is going to have a knock-on effect where police are going to be very strict about e-bikes. So there's a good chance that people will start having their bikes impounded, and if they have driving licenses, they could potentially have points put on their license for riding a motorbike without the correct license and insurance, fines, all the good stuff. Yeah, so I just wanted to mention that. I'm riding a Carrera Crossfire pedal assist limited to 15.5, so that's completely legal. It's not been modified, it's not been de-restricted, nothing, it's all legit. But for the 99% of e-bike riders doing Deliveroo around the UK, a lot of those could potentially be running into some difficulties with the 5.0, the Rozzers. What are your thoughts on it? What do you think? Some people hate these e-bikes going around at 30 miles an hour. Some people swear by them. What do you guys think about it?